my name is John, and I like to skateboard. This is my set.
Okay. Yeah,
Pretty much my new sick board. Pretty much love this one.
5.
Love it.
7.
I like the new style of it.
Yeah.
It's pretty great. Pretty much skateboarding is my best friend. My dad's pretty much gonna kill me now.